He's just like chilling there.
Deegan, look at me.
Deegan!
I think that's what he was trying to do from the beginning.
Cheese!
Yes, Park.
Oh!
Bad word.
Cheese.
I don't know. That's what Hayden said.
Jesse's gonna get it.
Ariana, don't get out.
See, I'm gonna get a killer tan like you in my pool.
Ariana!
Yeah, I'm not
Jesse, put your back in the water.
I need to get a floaty thing with my
We bought 3.
What is he doing?
Ariana, don't get out. We have to get in. We have to go inside.
I look like a freaking ghost.
The water's coming for my feet.
That's what Hayden does. She sits there and lets all the water out.
Yeah. She was doing that when they first had it here.
You're crazy.
Okay.
What?
It's okay, there's more in the pool.
There's more toys in there.
No, he won't get them all. Get in there.
He's so clumsy.
Oh, God! She's like, I'll just sit on Halen's head. It's okay.
We're letting the water warm up today. The sun. It's cold right now.
Stop hitting her.
It's already gone up like 6 degrees since this morning, yeah. It was like 65 when we put it, or 60.
Your water bill's gonna be outrageous.
I asked our neighbor how much she pays when she fills up her pool, and she said it's usually about like 120 bucks that month, so that's not bad.
What now?
Where are you going, Deegan?
Halen! Halen! Cheese!
We got to get off early?
What? Are you speaking Chinese?
If you get out, Ariana, you have to get out and stay out. Okay. We're in the water. I'm going to take you in over.
Forcing her daughter to have a good time.
When did you get that done?
Long time ago, like December. You should watch Ariana climb up the slide and then.
It's a pillow. Don't drink that. Yucky.
Ew!
I'd hold the hose out on Ariana and Halen, like
It's not good. It's dirty.
don't, there's bugs in there. No, I was just kidding.
She hates bugs.
Oh, I was just kidding. No, they're not in there.
There's no bugs, Halen. It's alright. See, look. There's no bugs.
I thought you. My bad.
Brittany's out here scaring the crap out of her.
Well, Ariana's not afraid of them. I didn't.
Are you wearing your bombshell bra?
Halen.
No? That's just all you?
Don't do it.
That's ridiculous.
The bro's
Emmy's like,
the bro's like
Yeah.
A's. The bro's like an A, and it hurts. It's not a freaking A.
This?
Yeah.
It's like, it might as well be. It feels like one. It's like a B, maybe.
I'm not even focusing on the kids because your boobs are right in my face.
It hurts. I'm sorry.
It looks like it hurts.
It's B.
What?
You're freezing. Halen, are you cold?
She's always cold and she gets out.
For a while, but apparently our inventory's recovered.
Hey, Deegan.
He completely ruined that penguin.
Jump in.
Nah, just because we're 10-18, regular 10-18.
I don't know you.
Can you want in? You do?
Say thanks, Paige.
There you go.
Okay.
You want in?
That's all about getting ready to drive. Why? Because
Nice job, Paige.
I'm just trying to help. No, Ariana, don't get out.
Wood don't go up, but there's a big wood increase right now.
yeah, there is. Oh my gosh.
Ariana, quit.
Or whatever it was, went up 50%.
Yeah, something's crazy. Now our wood is
Why?
an arm and a leg.
Because